Hello children, welcome back, and today we are going to do word problems on multiplication of fractions. Before going to the word problems children, today we will understand how area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, so let us start. Area of a rectangle formula is L into B. Now suppose children there is a rectangle, okay, and its measurement is 3 meter and 2 meter. That means this is divided into 3 and breadth is divided into 2, okay. And they have asked us what is the area. Now area means children it will be inside the rectangle, right? So this is the area, all this put together, whatever area is inside the box. So now let us count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have got the area of rectangle as 6. And how do we do that? In a shortcut, length and breadth has to be multiplied and we get 3 2s are 6. So in this way, we arrive at the formula area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So once we have understood, let us go to the main word problem. The length and breadth of a rectangle are 4 1 by 5 meter and breadth is 3 2 by 3 meter. Okay children, so we will write down length and breadth of the rectangle. And now this is in mixed fraction. So now let us convert this. So 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 5 meter, which is the length, and 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2, 11 by 3 meter. So we know now area of a rectangle is length into breadth, and you know how. So we will multiply length into breadth. Now what have we learnt in multiplication of fractions children? Our first step is to reduce the lowest term. Reduce this into lowest terms. So now here 3 and 21 have common multiple as 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Now 5, 7 and 11 all are prime numbers. That means they cannot be reduced further. So we have to just multiply the numerator. 7 11s are 77 and 5 1s are 5. So you can leave this here 77 by 5 meter square because the question is in meter, or you can convert this into mixed fraction. So if you divide 77 by 5, 5 1s are 5, 27, 5 5s are 25 and 2. So remainder is 2. So you can write in the mixed fraction 15 2 by 5 meter square. And this will be your final answer. So hope you understood children why in this particular problem we have done multiplication. Now let us go to the next problem. The cost of 1 meter of plastic sheet is 25 1 by 2 square rupees, whereas the cost, find the cost of 3 1 by 17 meter of plastic sheet. That means here they have given us the cost of 1. Cost of 1 meter is equal to 25 1 by 2 rupees. Therefore, find the cost of 3 1 by 17 meter. Right? And what have we learnt in our younger classes children? Suppose you have been given information of 1 and you have asked to find many. What do? You multiply. Like 1 apple is 10 rupees. So 2 apple is 10 into 2, 20 rupees. So in the same way, here information for 1 meter is given and they have asked information about more meters. But suppose still you have confusion whether this particular word problem is a multiplication or division, what you do is you write the statements correctly one below the other. That means below meter there should be meters and below rupees you will be finding rupees. Then you cross multiply. That means whatever numbers are in the cross way that you will multiply and whatever number is remaining that you divide. So we can do both the methods. So 3 1 by 17 into 25 1 by 2. So 17 3s are 51. 51 plus 1 52 by 17. 2 into 25 is 50. 50 plus 1 51 by 2. Now if you see 52 and 2, okay. So 2 1s are 2 into 26 is 52. You can do division in the rough column. 52 divided by 2, you will get 26. Now 17 and 51 are both multiples of 17. 17 ones are 17, 17 threes are 51. Now you don't have anything in the denominator, so only numerator. 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 78 rupees. And you have got the final answer. So in this way you can find out whether a particular word problem is multiplication or division. We will do more sums in the next class.